Hey guys, sorry that I skipped a bunch here, but I got the truck pretty much together. Set the cab. Really, there isn't all that much work. Set the cab on these, hook up all your stuff, kind of plug and play. But got the bumper on it. Got the cab sitting down, as you see, got the bed on it. It does runs great. No smoke, no missing. I've only ran it a few times, but pretty much it's all together, minus the hood. I got a drill holes in the frame for the front bumper here, and then I'm working on today, bolting the bed down, putting rails in it, because I have to move the big trailer. Still don't have a rear drive shaft, but I did drive in and out the shop to set the bed. Brakes are all bled, steering's hooked up, shifters. It's almost ready, you guys. Took that stupid fifth wheel gate off here, put my regular tailgate on it. A few other little things I'm doing. I'm relocating my 7-way plug because I didn't like where it was at, moving it over. But, oh, funny story about the bed, if you guys are wondering. I was supposed to get a southern bed coming up from Alabama. It came up, I went out, felt it. It was a beautiful bed, really nice. It was just missing 2 foot. He accidentally got short bed instead of long bed and hauled it all the way to northern Michigan. So that didn't work, so I used this one. But pretty much ready. Pretty soon, sometime next week, I'll be hooking on the big trailer and moving it. So, any questions, let me know. A lot of work, but you guys seen how the other frame was all hacked up, and time to get rid of that. So I guess it just gives a good excuse for us to drive down to Southern somewhere and throw this bed off and get a different one. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, just want to also say, if you guys know anybody that's got a Osprey 8-foot bed, I'm looking, or if anybody's interested in a 6-foot bed, I got one for sale. Yeah, this truck was a lot of work, but as you've seen in the other videos, get rid of that janky frame. Pretty messed up. And 8-foot bed works a lot better for towing than what we're going to use this for. So remember, like and subscribe. Leave me a comment if you know anybody's got a bed. Otherwise, probably run down to Alabama in the spring and get one. And we're also going to paint this one. Just quickly throw some paint on it. Got some sitting over there, I think. But yeah, remember to like and subscribe because it will really help the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, there it is. Back to the trailer. Kind of out of breath because I was just cranking it down. I know the legs aren't all the way up, but it's what this truck was made for, built for, towing this trailer. Hope this bumper don't get in the way. I think I should clear. Yeah, it'll clear. My dad's old gooseneck cleared, so this one should be good. There it is. Start her up for you. Shit. Guess actually waiting for glow plugs. Been sitting out here for a little bit, so wasn't thinking, didn't wait for the glow plugs. As you can tell, it's cold because of the exhaust. But yeah, weight's down on her. She's not squatting. Still gotta put the hood on it and clean some stuff off. But I need a hand putting the hood on. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. I'll be doing some other builds on a few of the projects I got here. Still gotta shoot some white paint on that bed too. I got it. But yeah. Until next time. Remember, don't let your disability hold you back. Hey guys, so I was driving this thing back in here, and because you guys know I'm legally blind and I can't see that well, I can see blue a little bit, so I line up between the hoist. But I felt low resistance. I was like, well, it's just the back tires coming up over the little bump that's back by the door. So I just eased up on the clutch a little bit. I heard a big pow, and look. Where's that? Right there. I sliced the tire wide open on the hoist arm, which had this pad on it. Whatever it is. Oh, I had that pad on it. Sliced tire wide open. There goes 200 bucks. So that really sucks. That is junk.